The Good morning to one and all present here. I am Dr. K. Kannan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cyber Security. Today we are discuss about on previously very well design pattern for cloud native application. The specific topic is use of design tools such as Balasmiq, one of the tools. It is a first of all the overview of design tools for cloud applications. We have providing in many tools in cloud applications. The first one is what is Balasmiq is one of the tool name. What is Balasmiq? It is a rapid wireframing with drag and drop. Easily we can drag and drop for all the flow, data flow and state diagrams. And cloud is synchronization for team collaborations from the every tools we have using to all the users, and pre-build the UE components library and interactive prototypes with linking. The Balasmiq is one of the creating the application for the tools, and is providing for easily we can wireframing framework, and also rapidly we have using to all the applications. Then team collaboration is very important because of all the development team and testing team and all the deployment team easily we can collaboration and develop the applications. And previously we have using two UI user interface components because of pre-build because of most of the UI and UI UX concept we have using to the in this cloud applications, and prototype with linking for all the interactive supporting tools. This is one of the Balasmiq tools. And the next one is what is the Figma? The Figma is one of the real-time collaboration in browser. We have accessing for browser into the Figma, and it is easily we can editing for in these tools the vector editing capabilities, and also component-based design system, and also extensive plugin ecosystem. Those are the Figma tools. Next one is Sketchy is one of the Mac native performance. It is a powerful tools because of easily we can simple and the libraries we have providing in this sketch tools, and rich plugin market, and also developer the hand of features. So that's all the sketch tools. And the Axure is one of the high fidelity of prototyping. It is a dynamic environment, interactive environment, because of we can modification from any application easily we can modify it. And also we have using to the conditional logic from this Axure tools, and specification document generation easily we can AI generation, and easily we can generation for the specification from this actual tools. So this one of the basic tools we have using in cloud application. Next one is integration with cloud native design patterns. First one is what is a pattern integration. There are three visualization from implementation from the pattern integration. First one is wireframes and designing tools support for pattern all the libraries, and the components represent the pattern elements. They are supporting from the microservices. Is the services is nothing but it is one of the boundaries and application programming interface from the wireframes. And next one is API is application program interface gateway. It is a request from routing and response handling. Easily we can identify from the this cloud patterns. And circuit breaker is one of the state utilization plus error UI is one of the design pattern. And on next one is event sourcing is event flow and audit trials. That is main pattern integration. It is how to process from the design workflow. First one is pattern selection. Next one is the forming the wireframing and component design. Next one is cloud integration. That is main roadmap of design process workflow. And many of the tools in benefits in rapid prototyping for pattern implementation, and also reusable concept components and concept we have using two common patterns, and visualization from all the documentation and pattern usage, and collaborative design is distributed all the across the team. Next one is workflow for using design tools in cloud application development. The design process is first we want more requirement, and after going to the wireframing, then visual design, then implementation and deployment. Those are the design process. And the cloud integration is nothing but the design synchronization with cloud storage, and also component libraries. So in cloud repositories, and version control for design asset, and real-time collaboration across the distributed team. We have using two best practices in maintain the design consistency, and synchronize with development, and start simple iterate and collaborate early. It is a main best practice we have providing in cloud application development. Next one is the design tools in cloud applications. The first application is e-commerce platform is one of the global retail companies. Is a migrated for a monolithic of system to microservices with distributed transaction management. Some of the challenges is following a complex order processing across multiple services with data consistency. Given the solution used the Balasmiq one of the tool, the rapid prototyping with the service boundaries for interaction. Next one is streaming platform is one of the banking applications is a financial services provider. The design the resilient of all the API gateway, and which circuit is breaker the pattern of external service integrates integration. And the challenges faced on the handling the external device failure without impacting user experience, and created the Figma prototype for circuit breaker, a state of fallback of mechanism using two solution. And streaming platform is media technology company is one of the real time content delivery system with even sourcing for audit trials, and challenging for facing in tracking content, and also changed the maintaining the playback state across the devices. The given the solution is apply the sketch wireframes, even flow, visualization, and UI consistency. Next one is the best practice using the design tools in cloud projects, the effective wireframing. To start with low fidelity of wireframes, and focus of functionality over the aesthetics, and create the reusable components of common patterns. Next one is the design consistency is one of the establish the design system with guidelines, and use a consistent of component across the screens, and document design decision and rationable. Collaborative design is real time collaboration features we have enabled, and establish a clear review process, and cloud storage for share the asset. Common challenges and solution: the distributed teams, the communication gaps across the time zones, and use the cloud-based design tools, real-time collaboration, and infinite of design standards, and establish the shared common libraries and design system. And responsive design is complex device fragmentation. So implement the mobile first design approach, and performance optimization some challenges. Use the performance testing early in design process. And state management is complex state transition cloud applications, and use the state diagram visualization of transition, and handling the offline scenarios, design the graceful degradation of connectivity issues, design development of handoff, and implementation gap between the design and code, and use the design and code features, and also misalignment of business requirements, and implement the regular synchronization session between the team. Thank you.